Hey guys, welcome to Becoming Handy with Mike. My name is Michael and today we'll be installing luxury vinyl tile in this break room. This product can be brought from Home Depot and it's 100% waterproof and be able to be used in your living room, your bathroom, and your kitchens. This is a great product to be used around the house. Luxury vinyl tile is also known as LVT. It's a modern version of CVT, composite vinyl tile. This particular brand, called Lifeproof, has 3 different sizes to their tiles. There's big, there's medium, and there's small. Each of these comes with a built-in underlayment that acts as a moisture barrier and is soundproof. The tools you need for this project are a hammer, a mallet, a block, a long arm, a utility knife, some chisels, and today I'm going to be using a grinder to cut the door trim, but there are other options available. Now we're going to start the installation process. There are a few ways to do this, but I recommend using one that's quick and easy. Since this room is small, what we're going to start doing is laying the planks down along one side of the wall and go across the other. The reason for this is to get a good visual on how much planks you're going to need to lay them out and how many you're going to need to cut. Each product and brand has its own method of installation. For this product, you have to start in the left corner. There are many ways to install this. This company suggests 3 ways. The method that I'm going to be showing today is called cutting it in thirds. What you do is take a second plank and cut it 1/3 of the way down from the first one, and get a third plank and cut it 2/3 of the way down from this first one. What you do is put the 2 pieces together, like so. Make sure they're all lined up and straight to avoid any crookedness. And hit them against the joints. To start on your second row, what you want to do is use some smaller pieces. You use a hammer and a block to put these 2 pieces together from sideways. Then you put in your next piece. If you notice there's a notch in this groove, what this is for is whenever you install it, what it's going to do is rest right upon the other piece. What I want to do is snap it right here and put it down. See how it's hanging a bit? That's good, that's what we want. Now what we're going to do is get our block, put it against the top of the lip, push it down, and give it a good tap, not a little light tap, a good tap. So see that gap just close, and tap it in. From this piece, all you have to do is work from there. Slide this one back. Start working from this side and go down over here. Use your mallet to snap in the last piece. Once you feel it's nice and smooth, then you can start laying your next pieces. This is the pattern that I like using, taking form. As we continue along this whole floor, it'll keep the shape of this pattern. So once you see that your pattern is consistent, you know you're on the right track. long arms whenever you have to get in tight spaces, like when you're near the edge of the wall. So what I want to do to use the long arm is to put the plank in. All the way in. Snap it in, and then get the long arm and put it above the tongue of the plank and bring it back. Make sure all that the gaps are filled in. Now we're going to start on our next piece. Another aspect of installing flooring is taking out the bottom piece of the trim so that way your plank will be able to fit under there. All you have to do for this is to rest your pencil on top of your plank, put it up to the door trim, and slide it across. That gives you a line of reference to cut upon. Now, there are many ways of cutting this piece. One way to do it is a Milwaukee Sawzall. Now, you can get these for about $200 at Home Depot, and they're really good for this stuff. Another way to do it is to use a handsaw. Another way to do it is to use a chisel. For this situation, I'm going to be using the grinder. Please do not try this unless you're a trained professional and using tools in unconventional ways like me. Well, ladies and gentlemen, looks like it's a job well done. Now you are on your way to becoming handy with Mike. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.